Hello everyone, tie the hairs on the top, divide them into two parts and make the plaits. Now divide the hairs from the back and join the hairs like this. Now after that fix all the hairs together and make a ponytail and it's ready. Next, take the rubber bands and fix them into each other like this. Take 3 rubber bands and fix them. After that, we will tie the hairs using the rubber band like this. Fix it on the side. Now tie the hairs by taking the sections of the hairs from the back. In the lining sections, fix all the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs in the front like this. So take small section of the hairs and tie the ponytail. Now rotate it using the hairstyling tool. Make the plaits on it. Now take all the hairs and fix it on the back and make all the plaits on the hairs like this. Fold it and fix it using the rubber bands. Tie it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be taking the half hairs and tie it on the top. Now on the sides and the back, divide the hairs into very small sections like this and join them using the rubber bands. Fix it on the left side and tie it. Now make the plaits on the ponytail as shown in the video, or you can just fold it by dividing it from the between and make a bow on the top like this. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the rubber bands like this and fix it on the hairs. So for that, we have to take small section of the hairs on the top, tie them like this on the back, make the plaits and fix it one by one. Rotate the hairs using the hairstyling tool and fix it on the back totally and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts and divide it from the between. Now rotate each section of the hairs as we are rotating it. You can use the hair rotating tool for this. Now fix them into each other and fix it on the top using a rubber band. Tie it like this and fix it. Now after that, we will tie rest of the hairs from the between and rotate it. Now fix it over the bun and spread the hairs from the sides as shown in the video, and then fix it using the hair bands or the hair clips, or you can also put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the side like this using the rubber band. So first fix the rubber bands together. Now divide the hairs like this and make the plaits. Now tie the hairs in the lining ways like this. Join it and make the plaits at the end. Fold it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top by making the hairs. Make the plaits like this. Take the hairs from the front and join them till the back. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Watch the video very carefully and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.